Today we'll be taking a look at the Keychron Q1. This board was actually released on the beginning of September and is competing against the GMMK Pro. The unboxing was really smooth. You get the iPhone experience of removing the top cover. It is really well packaged with a lot of foam and tightly packed. Here's what you get in your kit: some extra keys for Mac layout, extra gasket mounts and screws, and a really nice cord cable that matches the theme of the keyboard. I actually bought the fully assembled kit but disassembled it because I wanted to do a build video, not an upgrade video, so yeah. This is the Keychron Q1 barebone. In the navy blue colorway, it's a 75% fully customizable keyboard. It has an extremely clean and premium aluminum body with a gasket mounted design. It has a hot swappable PCB with south-facing RGB, supports screw-in stabilizers with QMK and VIA support. For the price of $169 US, is actually insane. We're gonna start off by disassembling the keyboard. The keyboard unfortunately does use hex screws, but I gotta say these screws are really nice. They just are so much better than Phillips screws. After removing the 8 screws at the back, we can remove the bottom housing. I unplugged the ribbon cable which connects the daughter board to the PCB. Afterwards, we can remove the screws. I didn't know the silver screws were the stabilizers, but yeah, if you're removing your PCB, just remove the gold screws. The silver screws are for the screw-in stabilizers. Alright, so this is the keyboard fully taken apart. You have an aluminum plate. They do feature other plate options as well, and the gaskets are already pre-installed for you. You get a plate foam which really helps with acoustics. It has a decent amount of thickness, so we're gonna move on to our PCB. It's hot swappable, has south-facing RGB, and is QMK and VIA supported. As for the housings, I actually love how premium these feel. They are made out of aluminum, polished, anodized, and sandblasted finish. The weight really adds to a premium feeling keyboard as well. On your bottom housing, there's actually 2 pieces of foam, which is really good. I recall they only had one for their prototypes, and adding the extra foam really helps remove the ping. As for the stabilizers, they feature the new Gateron screw-in stabilizers. The stock loop was actually a pretty decent job, but I still re-looped and tuned it with some Krytox 205 Grade 0. Once I was done lubing and tuning the stabilizers, I installed them onto the PCB. This keyboard actually isn't for me, it's for one of my friends, and he actually really wanted Echo Rose Pink switches on the keyboard, so we're gonna go with that. The Echo Rose Pinks are a linear switch. They cost about $9 for 45 pieces. They have a 3-pin configuration, and overall it's a really good switch. Now that the switches are done, I decided to do the tape mod for the keyboard. I did about 4 layers. I actually love working with this keyboard. It's really simple. I'm pretty sure anyone who is a beginner can work with this keyboard. I'll be using the stock keycaps that came with it. It has an OEM profile and is ABS double shot. Overall, I'll give this keyboard a 9 out of 10. It is actually really fun to build in, it is really easy to work with, and it produces really good sounds, just wait for it. Oh, and Keychron, if you want to send me one, I would love to have one for a personal board. Alright, so now that the keyboard's done, we're actually going to give it to the person who I made it for, so let's go do this. By the way, I'm not talking to this mic doesn't matter. Yeah, let's go. Oh, hello guys. Hello. Oh shit, Roblox. Bad boy. Alright. Oh.
Can't see it. Okay, I don't know if you can see. My hands are shaking right now. Dude, my hands are genuinely shaking. This is actually.
And we're back. So he really liked it. He was really nervous typing. So I'm gonna show you guys proper typing on monkey type. So let's enjoy that. Alright, I've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The Keychron Q1 is actually kind of insane. The typing experience is very nice. The sounds, the acoustics, the way it's made, the material is just good. Sadly, it's not for me, but Keychron, if you want to send me one, I will gladly take one. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like. It helps me. You can subscribe if you like keyboard content and comment something color. What? Comment the color down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.